We pay attention to those things that feel personally and professionally useful to your health and ignore the rest. Hello. My name is Dr. Abrar Chima. I am a consultant family physician. Are you interested in knowing about how many eggs should be consumed in a day? You come to the right place. In this video, we will cover benefits of consumption of eggs and their effects on human body. I use 4 eggs a day, and why you should as well. Here are some interesting information about eggs that why you should consume 4 eggs a day. Number 1, proteins in egg yolk is superior because of its anabolic effect, which means the ability of egg to build protein tissues in your body, and percentage of how much that egg protein is converted into your body tissues. 48% is converted into your body tissues. Number 2 is choline. Choline is good for your brain functioning. Choline is useful for breakdown of cholesterol, so it's good antidote for cholesterol. Also good antidote for fatty liver. Second is lecithin, which is also good antidote for cholesterol. Number 3. Eggs contain vitamin K. This vitamin K keeps the calcium out of the joints. Eggs also contain vitamin D. Vitamin D and vitamin K work together to perform this function. Number 4. Eggs also contain vitamin E, which is good for skin and heart. Number 5. Eggs contain vitamin A, which is named retinol. Very good for eyes. Number 6. Eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs also contain vitamin B. 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. Eggs also have trace minerals. Eggs contain carotenoids. That is nutrient-dense pigment. That gives yolk color. And also useful for health, especially eyes. Number 7. Eggs are very healthy, especially for postmenopausal women, as eggs contain choline, and postmenopausal woman has net low estrogen as compared to progesterone. Estrogen protects against the loss of choline. Egg choline is very good for digestion and avoids constipation. It also helps to prevent fatty liver. Body make choline itself but not enough. You can get choline from eggs and organ meat. Number 7. Eggs are very healthy for energy of your brain. Eggs are loaded with choline. Choline is precursor for acetylcholine, which is useful for brain functioning like memory, concentration, but also maintain a higher level mood. Choline also act as oil salt. They act to improve absorption of fat-soluble nutrients necessary for functions of brain. Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs also prevent of clot formation in your brain. Eggs are also keto-friendly. They are low in carbs, which help in making ketones, which brain prefers. Number 8. Eggs are healthy for heart. How to prepare eggs to maximize nutrition in the eggs. If you heat too much you may destroy carotenoids. So, poached or over easy way to do that. Or you scrambled. I recommend crack eggs inside the pan. Let's the white turn a little white. And then turn the heat down and mix it up. And scramble it. After the white part turned white. This is the best way to prepare eggs to maximize your nutrients. How many eggs a day? If you are a small person, 1 or 2 eggs a day. If you are a larger person, 3 or 4 eggs a day are sufficient to fulfill your body requirements. Thank you for watching this video.